False alarm, folks. Well, I don't know if it's a false alarm. Y'all might have liked that being the last song, but we got some confusing in. We got 10 minutes to go. I'm going to spend 5 of it talking then, all right? Y'all mind if we play 10 more minutes? There stands in the corner with the barrels of straight. I looked out the window and over the gate. The big fat rabbit was jumping in the grass. They lay here my old shotgun blast. Shotgun boogie, shotgun boogie. I saw your tracks. Look out, Mr. Rabbit, when I caught my hammer back. Well, over on the ridge there's a scaly bark. Henry ducks and feet, you can see him in the dark. The big fat squirrels, they scratch and they bite. I'll be on that ridge before daylight with the shotgun boogie. Shotgun boogie. All I need is one shot. Look out, bushy tail, tonight you'll be in the pond. She said a box for 10. I looked her up and down and said, boy, this is love. So we headed for the brush to shoot a big fat dove.